Hello, my name is Joann. This is going to be my first do-it-yourself / revamping a chair. So take it easy on me. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. Like it. Okay, let's get to it. So I got this chair from the thrift store. I only paid $5. It was in good condition still. So my dad, he put the Phillips screwdriver up on it because I'm going to take these screws out to take this cloth off and wash it. Let me start taking this off and I'll be back. So in this footage, I'm using a regular hand sander. It's just a piece of paper, and I'm just going around the creases that's hard to reach, and I'm just sanding down those areas because next I will be using a machine, and it's a hand sander as well. It's just a machine though. It'll be more, it's more like for like a finishing touch at the end. Have that smoothness on your wood. But anyway, I hand sand the edges to get that little wax pull off. Took me about like almost 4 hours of sanding, and I'm still not completed. So my dad gave me this sander machine. It's hyper tough. And so what I'm gonna do is go smooth the rest of these around. And be careful because of the metal, and I don't want to tear this apart. So just be careful. does already have the 3 cushions. 1, 2, 3. This is the back part, the part you sit down. This is, I forgot what this is called, but it's just a cloth to protect the cushions. See, it's gonna just protect the cushions. You don't have to put this on there. I just put it on there because I know like people love to sit on my stuff and they want to touch it and see if it's real, if I really made it, and see if it's sturdy and stuff. So just to avoid all that and rips and tears, I went ahead and put this on because I want to keep this for a minute. So this part right here, I glued this perimeter around. And then this part right here, this is the sticks where you actually insert the actual cloth into the chair. So I'm gonna leave this alone. This is gonna be left alone. So I already went ahead and did this side, as you see. Bear with me because I have one hand and I'm doing this alone. So I'm gonna show you how I will hot glue this. It's kind of hard, but I'm gonna try to do it for y'all. I went ahead and measured and cut the fur. This is the fur that I got. So yeah, this is the fur. And I was really contemplating if I should actually sew this down, hand sew it down, or should I actually hot glue it. And once again, since I'm keeping it for a long time, I think I came up with the conclusion that it would be best for me to actually sew this. So yeah, so let's get this sewing. I'm gonna go ahead and sew this down. That's how it looks. I'm gonna go ahead and sew this down and sew that down, and then I'll be back. This is the end results. I went ahead and sewed the fur onto the cushion. I didn't tape it. I didn't feel like taping it. Honestly, I'm sorry. But overall, I'm excited. I didn't even think I could make this chair myself like this. This is the actual footage in my bedroom. All the products that I use will be in the description box. If you have any questions, please feel free, and hopefully you liked it. If you did, hit the like button. If you didn't, dislike it. Either or, doesn't matter. Thank you for tuning in, and I'll see you all the next recording. Take care. Bye, babes.